Hello dear fans. What days to have sex to get pregnant? What days to have sex to get pregnant? On the days of ovulation, which occurs approximately in the middle of the menstrual cycle. These days are easy to identify by measuring your basal body temperature. Instructions. Step 1. What days to have sex to get pregnant? This question worries many women, both those who have just realized the desire to have a child and those who have been dreaming about it for several years. Time is really very important here, since the lifespan of spermatozoa can reach 7 days, but the egg cell lives only 12 to 24 hours. Therefore, if you want to conceive a child, ideally you should have sex on the day of your expected ovulation as many times as you can. You will greatly increase your chances of success if you make love for 2 days before your expected ovulation and for the same amount of time after it. Step 2. Every woman's body is different. And to know when ovulation occurs, you need to know the length of your menstrual cycle. However, it is possible to calculate the onset of ovulation using the calendar only for those women whose menstrual cycle is regular, while the rest will have to use other methods to determine favorable days for conception. And so, you need to highlight the longest and shortest menstrual cycles in the last year, or at least 6 months. From the shortest cycle, you need to subtract the number 18. The resulting figure will mark the day most favorable for conception. Subtract 11 from the longest period. The resulting figure will end the period in which you need to have sex to get pregnant. Step 3. Most women with a 28-day menstrual cycle ovulate in the middle, about 14 days before their next period. If you are regularly exposed to stress, do hard physical work, or often gain/lose weight, this can lead to interruptions in menstruation. In this situation, it is almost impossible to calculate the approximate day of ovulation. You need to first seek the advice of a specialist to identify possible health problems and their timely treatment. This will greatly increase the chances of success. Step 4. If your period comes like a clock and you don't get pregnant, try using other signs to calculate ideal days for conception. Ovulation is easily predicted by breast engorgement, discomfort in the abdomen, and changes in the nature and structure of discharge. They become more abundant and transparent, reminiscent of egg white. Step 5. You can also find out what days to have sex in order to get pregnant by measuring your basal body temperature. Every morning, without getting out of bed, measure the temperature in the anus. Its slight increase to 37.5 degrees C indicates that ovulation has come. Thanks for watching.